Let's listen to the wind in the prairie, the howl of a wolf or the growl of a bear, the song of a bald eagle over a mountain or the sound of rapids in a deep canyon. We drive where herds of wild bison ran, where tribal songs were sung by the fire. Let's listen to the whistling of the cowboy lasso through the air, the mooing of cows and the neighing of horses.